Forget the romantic era of the dogfight. In 2026, the sky is no longer a playground for pilots. It is a data-driven execution chamber. We have entered the age of the Replicator. From the carrier decks of the Mediterranean to the volatile waters of the Pacific, the military drone has transitioned from a supporting asset to the primary architect of victory. Two nations have secured a global monopoly: Turkey with its heavy autonomous Predators and the United States with its swarm of low-cost, high-precision loitering munitions. This isn't just an evolution, it's a total replacement of human reaction with machine lethality. Turkey's Baykal TB3 has rewritten the rules of naval projection. In September 2025, the Bayraktar TB3 entered service, the world's first male UCAV designed for short-deck carrier operations. With Indonesia securing a massive 60-unit order, the TB3 has become the new global standard for maritime strike capacity. But the real shadow is the Kizilelma. This stealth, jet-powered unmanned fighter has already mastered autonomous aerial formation and combat testing. As it enters full service in mid-2026, the Kizilelma proves that the era of manned jet superiority is officially over. The Bayraktar Akıncı remains the undisputed heavy hitter of the East. With over 110 units delivered by early 2026, including critical exports to 16 nations like Indonesia, the Akıncı is a strategic force multiplier. In 2025 alone, Baykar's export revenue topped $2.2 billion. The Akıncı doesn't just provide fire support, it operates as an airborne command node, integrating swarms of smaller systems into a cohesive kill chain. It is the backbone of a new automated greater wall that spans multiple continents. While Turkey dominates the heavy sky, the United States has perfected the swarm. Through the Pentagon's Replicator initiative, the U.S. Marine Corps has begun the mass fielding of the Switchblade 600 Block II and the Anduril Bolt M. These are not just drones, they are loitering munitions, produced by the thousands. With contracts exceeding nearly $1 billion, the U.S. is saturating the battlefield with man-portable, tube-launched kamikaze systems. By January 2026, every infantry squad has become a potential precision strike unit, capable of erasing armored divisions from miles away. There is nowhere left to hide. The introduction of the Teledyne FLIR Rogue 1 and the Altius 600M has made the battlefield transparent. These VTOL loitering munitions can stay airborne for hours, scanning for heat signatures before diving with pinpoint accuracy. In the 2026 tactical environment, stealth is no longer about hiding your aircraft. It's about overwhelming the enemy's sensors with a drone swarm that is too cheap to intercept and too numerous to stop. The US and Turkey have created the blueprint for a war where the human is only the target. We have surpassed the point of human intervention. In the high-speed execution chamber of 2027, victory belongs to the side that can replicate machines faster than the enemy can build missiles. The silent service of the UCAV has become the loudest statement of power in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. This is Strategic Forecast. Subscribe to watch the final sunset of manned aviation.